In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import and customize PDF files in Canva. We'll start by bringing your PDF into Canva, then walk through editing text, swapping images, adjusting elements, adding fresh content, and finally exporting the finished design the right way. First, open your design in Canva. On the left side, click the Uploads tab, then choose Upload Files. Select your PDF from your computer and click Open. You'll see a progress bar as Canva processes the file. Let it finish so everything imports correctly. When it's done, look under the Design section inside Uploads and click your PDF to place it into your canvas. If your PDF has multiple pages, Canva typically brings them in as individual pages or elements you can work with. Now let's edit the text. Click any text box to activate it, then use the toolbar to change the font, size, color, or alignment. Canva will try to match the original PDF fonts. But if a font isn't available, pick a similar one from Canva's library to maintain the look and feel. If the spacing looks off after a font change, tweak letter spacing and line height in the toolbar until it matches the design. To replace images, select an existing image and press Delete to clear it, or simply drag a new image from the Uploads tab or the Elements tab right onto it. If the image sits inside a frame, dropping a new photo on top will automatically replace it. You can then drag to reposition or use the corner handles to resize, while keeping proportions intact. For shapes, lines, and backgrounds, click any element to move it. Pull the corner handles to resize or hit Delete to remove it. This is helpful for decluttering a busy PDF or adjusting the layout so it fits your brand. If you want to add something new, use the side panel to browse Canva's library of graphics, icons, and photos. Search for what you need, then drag it onto the canvas and style it to match. Adjust colors, transparency, and position so the new content blends seamlessly with your imported PDFs. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then select Download. Choose PDF Standard if you are sharing digitally or need a smaller file size. Choose PDF Print if you are sending it to a professional printer or want the highest quality output. Confirm your settings, click Download, and your customized PDF is ready to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.